Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the correct body base and proportions to match UA training cadets. This ensures uniform pieces sit correctly on the model. Once done, lock the base layer and set a separate clothing layer so edits won't distort anatomy. Make sure to set skin tone and height early, because uniform colors and shading must match skin contrast. Use grid and zoom for precision when placing shoulders and neck. This makes later arm movement and jacket alignment predictable. Now you build the distinctive coat and trousers step by step. Block in the jacket silhouette on the clothing layer, then add collar, zipper line, shoulder pads, and seam highlights to match UA style. After that, design emblem presets and save them as stickers so you can apply consistent insignia across characters. For pants, shape a tapered leg with knee seams and a belt area, ensuring boots overlap slightly. This precision preserves proportions during poses and animation. Finish by applying clean flat colors, then add 2 shadow layers and 1 highlight for depth so the uniform reads across screenshots and animations. Once painted, cycle through common poses and expressions to check seam behavior and emblem placement. Make small mask fixes if cloth overlaps incorrectly. When satisfied, export transparent PNG sets and save incremental project versions labeled clearly, because if something goes wrong, you can revert. A key tip: if seams clip during poses, slightly expand the clothing mask by 1-2 pixels to prevent gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.